Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. In today's episode, see, we got this center console thing. Like, we're putting all the interior back in, and see this center console thing where the shifter is and everything. See, here's the problem with it. Like where these screws go, as you can see, all of that is ripped out. That's what it was like when we got the car here. So in this extremely quick video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this thing. There's actually a kit from Eckler's Corvette. There will be a link in the description to the kit. I'll show you how to fix it. We're fixing this right now, everybody. Okay, guys, well, here's the kit. Corvette center console repair kit. See, it comes with these like metal brackets. Comes with all the screws and everything. Totally worth it. Click on the link in the description. Support the channel and buy it there. Costs you nothing. And I get a little small interest percent. Okay, let's get started on installing this right away, guys. Okay, guys, here's what the kit comes with. Here's some very, very awesome instructions, by the way. So we're gonna install this right now, and like I'll just quickly show you one more time what the problem is. So see where the bolt holes are? So what happens is where those holes are, see everything's ripped out. So there's no way to attach this, right? Okay, should be pretty easy to install this. Okay, so they got these kind of labeled like front passenger, back passenger, back driver, back driver. They don't really tell you which way to put it, but don't worry, guys, because that's why you got me. And I guess they want you to use glue to put this on. Okay, well, let's see what we can do, guys. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna put this in here and I'm gonna flip this thing upside down so I can see what's going on the other side. Okay, guys, so I kind of put this in. I'm starting to get how this is supposed to work. So see these metal things go like this, right? And then you, I guess you glue these parts in, right? And then the bolt hole will line up now with this. But the front ones, here's the problem I'm having. So yeah, that looks great, right? But then when you take this off, there's a bolt here, see? And there's one on the other side as well, which in our case, actually, this bolt might help us out. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna figure out exactly where, and I'm just gonna drill a hole through this, and then that way I can just take that, that nut off and put it right through that, and that will hold it in place. So I'm gonna do these back two ones right now first, and then we'll get to those in a minute. Okay, guys, so I attached the front, and I'm actually super happy with that. Let me turn this thing around. I'm still gonna hold it here though, because I don't want it to like bend out, because I don't have the back attached yet, but the front's good. So I'm gonna flip it over. See, and I mean, I just drilled holes in that. Yeah, that works great. The back, so the problem I'm having with the back is obviously I can't drill holes. So you have to use some kind of glue, but I don't like the idea of a glue going there. Anyways, and the other problem I'm thinking is, if I put this here, is this thing gonna hit it? Like for the shifter on an automatic? Well, I'm gonna try and let's see what happens, guys. Okay, guys, so I got the back ones on. I mean, I didn't glue them on yet. For now, I just put the screws in to see if this would fit. So the good news is, yeah, this works no problem, as you can see. So it's not in the way. The only thing is, I'm not a big fan of gluing these on here. I mean, I guess you could, as long as they stay. If these can stay here long enough for you to put these in, then they're gonna be good. I got an idea. I might drill a little hole in here and in here. And I got lots of different nuts and bolts here in my nuts and bolts. And maybe I can just put like a little nut and bolt, something with a flat end on the other side, so it like there is like a gap there. I think it'll fit. Okay, let me pull one off and show you what I mean. Okay, so I unscrewed the screw from the other side, right? So see right there, this would be perfect. See, if I could drill just in the right spot, right? Like line that up, drill a hole, and then I could take, I got these are metal screws. So if I drill just the right size hole, I could screw this in, and then this will be actually screwed almost kind of like that. I could also put a nut and bolt, but I think that'll work. So I'm gonna do that, guys. I'm gonna mark that, and then I'm gonna mark them both, screw them in. I also checked, and this thing, it will go right up to where the screw's gonna be, so it won't be in the way. Get it? Like the shifter thing. So I think that's the way to do it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do that, show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so see I marked where the hole's gonna be, and I did on that one too. Nothing to it. Okay, I'm gonna go drill these out right now. Okay, guys, so I did exactly what I said I was gonna do. I actually decided I'm gonna get a grinder and just cut these off. But, I mean, these are in there super good. Let me turn this around. I'm gonna say I'm pretty happy with that. See, like, now this thing has something to attach to. Would I recommend it? Yeah, sure, why not? It does work. It wasn't that much. We got all the right little clips and nice looking screws for it. Go for it. Anyways, thanks for watching Problem Solver Garage. Just a short little episode on this thing. Don't worry, guys, we're installing the interior actually right now. This is just in between episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.
I love Problem Solver Garage.